Disclaimer! It's a damn mystery box that you don't want to miss, maybe. But this mystery box is from a viewer, and if you know our track record on those motherfuckers, bro, you know that we usually get fricked up. Y'all start sending me poop in the mail. I don't really like it that much, so hopefully it's something good or hopefully it's something bad. Who knows? I was reading online the other day, right? I was like, alright, going through the wormhole, if you may. If you will, I don't know. Somebody was saying online on Reddit, raw meat, real good for you. You should try it. You know what I mean? It's gonna like open up your mental state, or I don't know what it was. I didn't really read the whole paragraph. It probably would have came with a warning or a disclaimer. I didn't read that part. Well, that night, boys, I pulled out a raw chicken from the fucking fridge, man. I ate the thing. Yeah, I got a bad case of the why the fuck did I do that? So we've been gone for a little bit. We're gonna be back on Monday though, because I got a bachelor party. It's an also funny thing. Got a bachelor party for my boy this weekend. It's the type of dude you grow up with being like, this boy's not getting laid ever. No, motherfucker. He's getting married all left, right, and center. So anyway, shouts out to him. Back in action, we're back in the action. Now let's get into this, because God only knows what we're boxing today. Alright boys, so we got one goal for today, obviously, because I'm not filming as much. I got other things on the side that I've been doing, but I still come back to this, even though I'm not making any money, really. I still come back because I love it, you know what I mean? Everyone's like, NameBran, give up already! I'm not gonna give up, because I like this shit. I like talking on camera and acting an ass. So, what was I getting at with that, though? I'm an idiot. Oh yeah! Thumbs up, comment down below so I can entertain more people, hopefully. You know what I mean? That's all I ask for. And with this unboxing, there will be probably a giveaway. I think. Maybe. Depending on what we unbox here. Still got the gum in the mouth. I'll pick that up later. Definitely gonna forget. Alright boys, so I don't know if you guys remember, we haven't done this in a little bit. A few videos back, I said that I put it up like a P.O. box on Instagram a little while ago. I haven't done it since. I said, send what you want to send. I'll unbox it. I'll film a video for each, and if it's not a good video, I just won't put it up, I guess. I don't know. That's how it's been. There's been like 3 or 4 where I just open up Kleenex boxes pretty much, and they didn't go well. So, I don't even know if we're gonna put this up, boys, but it must be alright if you're seeing it right now. So, somebody sent this. Now, usually after, I guess, and a couple people have done this, when they send a box, actually, here's it right here. It's not a box, it's a package. Somebody sends something, they hit me up on the Instagram DMs, like, hey, did you get it? Obviously, because they took the time out of their day to send it to me, so I can unbox it, which I freaking love. Yeah, they're like, hey, did you get it? So, sent a picture of the tracking number, whatever. I looked at it on the freaking bag, and it was the same thing. Now, this guy had a story for me, boys. He said, now, this is where things get a little interesting. He said, for title reasons, Bran, I think I should put this in there to you. I think he said, like, let me help you with the title, and this is something I found that would help you with the title and make a really cool video. I don't know, I should read it up, but I freaking lost the message, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Something like, yeah, my, I don't know, grandpa, whatever it was, uncle, I don't know. Somebody way past did, like, gold mining and stuff like that, turned out to be a billionaire. He's like, hey, bro, let me send you a package from a billionaire. So this came from his grandpa. Do I believe it? No. Talk to him, seems like a nice guy, but you guys trick me all the time, so I'm not gonna be that naive. I might be a little bit, because look at this package, bro. It kind of seems like jewelry's in here. Anyway, $1 billion person! A little gift from them that maybe the grandson or whatever the hell gave me. So, that is it. I asked him if I could give it away, because I usually do with these videos. I don't want to take things from you. I don't ask you guys to send me things so I can have it. I want to give it away after I ask you guys to send some fun stuff that I can make content out of. And most of the time, actually, you guys let me pay for the shipping too, which is nice. So anyway, out of the kindness of his heart, here's a package from Billionaire. And I know it's just going to be a fart bomb, because I've talked about them too many times in videos, but I don't smell it. We'll see. Without further ado, boys, package engaged. My thoughts first when he was sending this to me. Hefty thing to say that it's okay. Okay, nice. Alright, so we have a box. It sounds like a ring, bro. This is sick. That's why I was like, you know what, maybe I will actually like film this one, because other ones are just like the ones that you guys have sent me, and they're just like, you can tell they're empty, or that you've given me guys some nice drawings, which is really nice. But actually I should feature those in videos. Anyway, here's what we got. Now I'm believing more. Alright, let's go. I don't know how to talk right now, bro. You got one spliff and you're done. Alright, let's go. Without further ado, I ain't trying to waste any more time. Here we go. Okay. What do you guys guess? Down below. Oh, shit! Oh, you f***er. Oh, you f***er. Oh, there is something else in there. Okay. Dude, I was about to turn off the camera. I'm like, here's another video I'm not gonna fucking post. We got a fake spider in there. Gotta love that. I can't. I was about to swear at you, bro, but I can't be doing that because I did see something else in there. I don't know what it is, but we got a fake spider. Oh, this is spider web packaging blowing out. You ass. Thank you for that, though. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh, shit! Sorry, I was totally thinking off track. Alright, so it's not jewelry, but what this is, per se, a little capsule here. Oh! Nah, bro, I'm not giving this away. I'm actually gonna send it back to the dude. Just like, thank you for the video. I got the return address if I didn't absolutely demolish that package. Nope, it's all good. I will send it back to you, dude. Thank you so much. Just got the hype up a little bit. We got... Frick, there was one more piece and I dropped it. We got a chunk of gold, I would say. I don't know, it's heavy. It's like metal. I don't fucking know. We got a chunk of gold here. He said he was a gold mine. I should've known. All right, we got a hunk of gold here. I don't know. Amazing, bro. Thank you so much. Like, this is crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna send it back to you. I think it's a hunk of gold. It's heavy. So that means it's not like really, really pure, I don't think. But like, it's the sentimental value is amazing that you would send this to me, bro. That's absolutely awesome. I'm gonna send this back. One, I think this is yours and your grandpa's. Thank you for the content. Two, yeah, no, I just don't want to keep it. Actually, I just got a sidestep thought, bro. We're gonna weigh this gold right now. This is a really cool idea, I think. With this thing right here, whatever it comes out to be, I'm gonna still send it back to him, but send him the same in jewelry. Does that make sense? So say it's like, I don't know, $20 in gold. You know what I mean? I'll send him a $20. Well, maybe I'll send him like a $20 mystery box on NameBranFam.com. Link is down below, boys. Or something like that. I'm kind of curious because it is heavy. I don't know what type. It's got a little bit of luster. It really does look like gold. I don't know what luster means. We'll put it in the calculator as maybe, I don't know, 10 karat gold? We'll do 10 karat gold. Or maybe, no, it's probably 10 karat. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on the calculator, see how much this thing weighs, boys, and we'll calculate how much you just gave us right now. And then I'm gonna send him a little treat. Alright, boys, we got this ready. This is on ounces right now. We're gonna see the ounce of gold. I'll do a calculator. Oh, shoot. Oh. I usually weigh less than an ounce. Oh, shoot. Well, what else do you do, bro? Unit? Fluid ounce? Shoot. Okay. Uh-oh. This is all backfired quick, bro! Kilogram. That wouldn't make sense, would it? Uh-oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna send you a $100 chain from somewhere, bro. How's that sound? Boys, thanks for watching. It's just, I like these little, side videos of just, fuck, I dropped it. Oh, shoot. You guys have no idea what I'm looking at on this table right now. It's in between a Sasquatch footprint casting and, a lot of other stuff. A freaking mouse we unboxed. I still kept that because I want to find batteries for it to scare my girlfriend. Okay, it's somewhere here, bro. I'm gonna get it back. I found it! Alright, anyway, yeah, I'll send you something cool. Thanks for watching, boys. Wasn't the jewelry expected, but god dang was it a mystery box. And that's all we go for. Appreciate y'all for watching. Bye. I tried my best. And thank you, sir. This is actually remarkable.